Hey everyone, this is filler 2 for the 22 ammo. Top spot gets a spot on the main, 10 at 2. Thanks for the fill, everyone. Copy our list. Go live. 526. Paste our list. Roll our dice. Need a 4 or higher. 526. 3 is no good. And we got a 7. 526, 7 times. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 items on the list. Mr. Joe on top, Miss Alicia on the bottom. Randomized 6 times. Dice called for a 7. 527, final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot number 1, Miss Alicia Todd. 10 items, 7 times, 7 on the dice. Congrats, Miss Alicia. We are done at 527. Thanks, everyone.